Good jobs are waiting, and Kankakee Community College has free tuition when you enroll in a manufacturing-related program. Yes, free tuition. There are local jobs right now for qualified industrial maintenance technicians, welders, machine tool operators, and production workers. You can earn as much as $20 per hour to start. The One Workforce Grant can cover your tuition, fees, books, certification exams, and more. To qualify, you must live in Northeast Illinois or Northwest Indiana, be 17 or older, not in high school, and unemployed or underemployed. People from underrepresented groups are encouraged to apply. Even if you're already employed, you may be eligible. Get started at skills.kcc.edu. That's skills.kcc.edu. Mark Anderson will personally reply to you. The One Workforce Grant is funded by the U.S. Department of Labor and the Calumet Area Industrial Commission. KCC, the power of community.